welcome to my channel. My name is Kenya. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today's video is going to be a compilation of a few drugstore items I picked up, some Colourpop and Ulta. I do have Sephora, which is becoming soon, so stay tuned for that. I do have a few things coming from Beauty Bay as well, so if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. I have quite a bit of Colourpop, and I'll start off with the first batch of things that I picked up. I do have a Colourpop item that I did pick up from Ulta, and I'll show you guys that shortly. One of the palettes that I picked up directly from Colourpop is Too Haute. This is a pink palette. I don't have a ton of pink palettes, so this did go on sale, and so I did snag that. And it's just one of their 5 pans. If there is an echo in this room, I apologize. I am back in my room. The painting is finished and the flooring has been installed, but I still need some more furniture items in here, as well as the things that I'm going to be having going in the back behind me. If it's a little echoey in here, I do apologize. I don't have my rug yet, so once I get that, that should help with the sound. So please bear with me right now. But like I was saying, I did pick up the Too Haute palette from Colourpop. This is one of their 5 pans. I think this is so pretty. I love pinks, and I used to wear them a lot. I kind of fell off with them a little bit, so I did go colorful today with my look, and I'm finding that I'm kind of wanting to get back into color. I know a lot of people are getting more fall weather. It's still very like high to mid 90s, so warm, you know, but yeah, I thought it would still be perfect to grab this, and I think this would also be really cute for like a Valentine's Day look. Next, I picked up a light stick. This is their, I guess it's like a highlighter. I haven't tried anything in their stick formulas, like nothing, not a highlighter, not a blush, nothing. So I went ahead and grabbed one because this looked really cute. It's called Bullseye. It's a nice shade. As you roll it down, like the excess product kind of goes to the top, which is weird, but let me see. Oh, okay. Very pretty. If you can see right here, this is the shade Bullseye. It's just a nice like gold. So the next product I picked up was a single shadow. I'm telling you, I'm kind of like into pinks right now, or pinky tone shades. This is the color Cater to You, and it's just like more of a kind of fuchsia-y cranberry kind of color. I thought it was super pretty. Oh, well, since my finger. Okay. And this is a metallic. I will swatch it next to the highlighter. I think that's really cute. I think that would be kind of cute for fall too. I picked up this little set. This is the Moon Haze 5 pan. I kind of learned my lesson with Colourpop to honestly wait for a sale or a coupon, because they come out with so much, and I know I don't need all of it, so I feel a little better. I know it's a reduced price, but isn't this pretty? I love this. This is their like little neon collection, and it's very cute. Ooh, this shade looks very fragile. It's already kind of crumbling in the pan. The shade Electro, it's super pretty. I really wanted it for this like corally shade here, because I feel like that would be just like a cute little pop of color, like in the inner quarter, or just kind of like all over the lid with some lashes. I think that would look really cute. And that's the shade Dream Wave. But yeah, the packaging is really cute. I will say kind of be careful with these 5 pans, because I dropped one on carpet while it was still in the box and it shattered. So, and then it did come with a Luxe lip oil in the shade Hot Spark, and it's just like a nice little kind of matching the center shade. Very, very pretty. I'm not ready to use that, so I probably won't open it, but I like this little collection. I will say, it being a neon collection, I really wish that it had more neon in it and less neutral, but what are you gonna do? And then I guess I'll get into my other Colourpop order. I did pick up a So Juicy lip gloss. It's one of their like ornaments, and this one's in She's Here, and it's just like a really pretty nude gloss. This one does have sparkle in it, and I feel like it would be a really pretty everyday gloss, so I grabbed that. I really like their So Juicy formula, so yeah, I did grab that guy. And then from this order, I did finally grab the Malibu Barbie. I was definitely a Barbie girl, and I like this. I like the packaging of this. Really cute. This kind of reminds me of Marissy's palette though, to be honest. So I feel like if you have that and you're not necessarily a Barbie fan, I mean, minus the yellow, it's very, very similar. I do have that palette, so maybe I'll take a look at it but together, but So I can't wait to get into that. Okay, y'all. So they have literally, like, it feels like 50 different 9 pans. They had a little bundle. It came with Lilac You a Lot, Baby Got Peach, and Mint to Be. And I wanted it mainly for Mint to Be because I love mint shades. I had been meaning to buy this for a while now, but it was like such a good deal. It's very light, so you know it's getting like really washed out, but I love this. I love these type of greens. I feel like they just look so good, especially with brown eyes. I love minty green shades. Green in general on a brown eyes, just chef's kiss. But this one did come a little janky. I had to like kind of smudge them to put them back in place because some of the pans were like loose. So I shoved them back in here. I think it's okay now, but the shades were like not in their spot. So I had to kind of move them because they were under this plastic, which was kind of weird. I'm not going to get use out of most of the shades unless I use a very light, if not white base, because these are a pastel. I do have the It's My Pleasure, which is like the sister to this one. So I might keep them and kind of use this as like a companion palette. The peach one, I'm actually excited to have because I have the Orange and Glad palette. And I feel like this would be a really good complementary palette with that one also. It's very light also, but I actually really like light shades like this for just every day. Something where I don't need too much. I need a little something on the eye. To get it to be, you know, the most opaque I can get it, I just use a lighter base or concealer on my eye. That was those 2 orders. I'm gonna go into Drugstore before I get to the few items I picked up from Ulta. Yeah, do you guys remember my foundation video? If you haven't seen it, I will link it so you can check it out. I was talking about the e.l.f. Dew Primer, the red one, and that they have a green one that I wanted to try it out. This is the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer, but I do want to try this out because I like that one so much. So I figured that this one would be a good one to try out, and if it's great, I will let you know. But yeah, people are comparing this one probably even more so to the Melt Primer, Hydro Rip Primer than the red one. So I am very excited to try this. The next item, oh, and then I did pick up a backup glue. I gotta have it. My Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This one's clear, it's latex free. I use this all the time, but this is one of my favorite lash glues. I think this is the one I've repurchased the most. Someone had talked about this on Instagram. I'm on a quest right now, you guys, for the best drugstore concealers. Anything that's medium to full, preferably full. So if you know of one, please let me know. But she mentioned this CoverGirl one. Like, look at how this looks, right? And I'm like, okay, that's gonna work. What is this? I didn't even tell you what it is. It is the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear Concealer. It's supposed to be 24-hour full coverage. You're getting 9 milliliters or 0.30 ounces. This is quite a bit because Shape Tape is 0.33. So you're getting 0.30, which is really good actually. I picked this one up from Amazon. So this one has a tip rather than like a doe foot applicator, which I actually like. It's really precise. The color on the packaging and the color I received, I didn't even tell you what color it is. It is 856 Caramel Beige. What? Whoa. Oh, she's kind of light, y'all. I can use this, if I like the formula, I'll buy it in a darker shade, but I can just kind of use it as like more of a highlight, so I wouldn't use a whole bunch of it, or I could even use it as like a base for my eyeshadow. This one is quite light. This happened, the same thing happened to me when I picked up their True Blend Undercover concealer. I thought this was going to be darker, quite light, but I'm actually really excited to try this out. You know what? Here, listen, I'm going to try this. I just want to see what kind of consistency it has. I like how it's got the little squeezy tube. Let's see. Oh, okay, she's kind of thick. Okay, a dab will do ya. I put the smallest amount, I probably not even a pea size amount, you guys. But I'm excited. It feels nice and creamy. I want to see. Yeah, I'm probably going to use this tomorrow. I have to. I mean, I can't use a lot because it's going to look really ashy under there. It feels nice. And the coverage is there. Wow. Okay. If this is bomb, this might be the winner. We're going to see. I want to see how heavy it feels. Like, because it's kind of thick. So I'm wondering if it's heavy. Oh no. Well, let me grab something, clean my hands off before I end up with this all over the place. So the last bit is Ulta. I didn't grab a lot. I shopped during the 21 days of Ulta. Am I the only one that was like really disappointed? I feel like they didn't have much at all. And it was a lot of the stuff they have every sale event. And it was also just a lot of stuff we're not interested in. Like, you clearly were trying to get rid of stock. So I didn't grab a whole bunch. So one thing I did get was a Buxom Blush. I've been meaning to get one probably the last time they were on sale. But for whatever reason, I think I just grabbed, I ended up with other things. But I have tried this before. I got like a sample card of it or something. And I don't know if it was this one and maybe Dolly, which sold out by the time I was like trying to get it, which is totally fine. But I did pick up the shade Mykonos. These blushes are very good. I wish they had a few more colors because I feel like their color selection is a little lackluster. Like, I wish they had a few more shades to choose from, but the formula is beautiful. I think these have like primer in them. Yeah, they're primer infused. You're getting 3.6 grams, so you're not getting a ton of product. But I mean, I have a lot of blushes, so oh, she's looking very washed out here. Sometimes I feel like things look washed out in the viewfinder, and then I go to edit and it's really not that bad. So if I keep saying that it looks washed out and it's not, ignore me. But there, is that? It's like a more corally peachy shade. This is stunning. Listen, hold on. This is so pretty. Listen, why not? I'm definitely gonna get Dolly. But the Mykonos is actually really pretty. I love these. These are the Buxom Wanderlust. So the only other thing I picked up was the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. I picked up this shade Medium Tan 3.5W. I feel like I tried this years ago and I really liked it, but I had not picked it up since because I'm always trying out something new. This looks like it might be too light, and I feel like this is the shade I had ordered before. Let's see. Oh, it's light. Oh, well, you know what? No, it's not that bad. Not compared to, it's darker than the CoverGirl one that I just picked up. So those were the only two like high-end products I picked up during the sale. I did, of course, grab a few of just a couple other items while I was on there. I did pick up the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I'm obsessed with bronzers. Like, this is a good affordable option. I picked up the shade Bronze Belle and I was like, well, let's see. You're getting 10 grams. Is a name on here? Like, what happens if I throw away the package? Oh, okay. Oh, this looks like chocolate. Is it not? That's pretty. Ooh, what a nice color. I love how glossy that looks. Is this gonna be like dewy? Does it promise to be dewy? Because it looks like very shiny. What is the claims here? It says that this is a non-greasy buildable formula, transforms from a cream to a semi-matte powder to give you a natural bronze or soft contour for the perfect sun-kissed glow. And this is not their darkest shade, which is like, there's a lot of high-end that don't even have. There's like a few after this. So I was like, oh, okay, oh. So I'm excited to try that out. And I picked up this palette, but look how pretty this packaging is. This is so pretty. As usual, they do really, really nice packaging. I do like the color story, but like, do I have these colors? I do. I have them somewhere. I'm really like, oh, this blue up here though. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.